Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Dr. Aslan and I teach you energy resource and utilization. So today we perform first practical. First practical is how to measure solar intensity. For measuring solar intensity we need SP light panometer. So that's why this is the SP light panometer. So this is the SP light panometer. So we put panometer. For SP light panometer, we are use SP light panometer for solar intensity measurements. So for that's why we need SP light panometer. In this panometer they have a sensor. This is the black sensor. They sense the sunlight. So the very important thing for that measuring solar intensity is its units. Its units is watt per meter square. Watt per meter square means in 1 meter square area how much you have watts taking from the sun. So this is the SP light panometer. So I open that wires and put panometer in the sunlight. So after that you put these wires put white wire in white column and put green wire in green column. And on it. After that you put that data logger to the computer. Put that wire. So put that wire to the computer. So you are starting from LI19. In this computer you just only set the data logger setting. Don't set the sensor setting. Okay, so you are adjusting the minutes, after how many time you need the readings. So this is the beauty of that instrument. If you need a 30 second reading, 1 minute reading, 2 minute reading, 5 minute reading, you just only given the command and they start work. After 1 minute, so this start work. So today is the time is the 11:25 AM and 7 July 2020. So we are going to again to that image. So now we complete the experimental setup. Just only put the panometer in the sunlight and after that put that panometer to data logger. And data logger is connected to the computer. So we are set that readings. So now today reading is at 11:25 is 706 watts per meter square. So today reading is 706 watt per meter square. So it's very simple mean in 1125 you have 1 meter area. In 1 meter area you have intensity 705 watts. So putting that things in the computer, and I show you some images. So every 60 seconds they show reading. So there are graph shows the what is the your reading at 12 or after every 10 minutes. This graph. So this is a computer program. You just set your reading from what is your need to 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute. I think so is 30 seconds is fine. So now our time is 11:25 and 70 and today date is 7 July 2020. So you show the views from here. So these are the readings. The minimum reading is 667 and the maximum reading is at that 30 second is 677. So after that after 1 minute there are two interval of 30 seconds. There are show your data. After that there are show your data in single graph. I show you data after to completion that 1 minute. So now the time is complete and I show you one graph. Just a minute. Yeah, this is the graph of today reading. So your reading is fluctuating from 700 to 680, right, 677. So this is the graph you are print from here, and this is your saved data. It's very easy experiment. You are just only put your chronometer, and after that they given you a whole day reading. So student, thank you very much.